From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 30. So today we will continue talking about the location words. So in the last lesson, I have introduced to you these location words. So let's review everything. On, above, 上, under, 下, in front of, 前, behind, 後ろ, inside, 中, outside, 外, next to, 隣, between, 間, near, 近く, far, 遠く, right, 右, left, 左. And this is how you can use those location words. Noun, no, then the location words. For example, on the table is つくえの上. 上 is a location word, on, above. Therefore, it comes after no particle. It's always noun, no particle, then the location word. Location word comes after the particle. And in this case, the noun is table, つくえ. That's why つくえの上. Another example, under the table, つくえの下. Shita is a location word meaning under. Therefore, it comes after no particle. Then before no particle, there should be a noun, in this case, table. Therefore, つくえの下. So this is how you can use the location words. And in the last lesson, you apply these location words using a simple grammar format. X is Y sentence structure. Like this example. The key is on the table. This is X is Y sentence, which in Japanese is X は Y です。So you learned this grammar format in the lesson 1. So when you apply these location words in this grammar format, the key is on the table is this. 鍵は机の上です。X is the key, 鍵. Then Y, on the table. So, 鍵 X は机の上 Y です。But today, we will apply the location words using another grammar format, which is this one. Location に things があります or います。You have learned this in the lesson 27. あります います means there is, there are in Japanese. So, whenever you indicate some existence, you need to use ni particle to indicate the location of the existence. For example, there are cats in the park. In this case, park is where the cats exist. Therefore, 公園に猫がいます。So location に particle things がいます because cats are living things. I will show you the grammar format once again. It's location に things があります or います。So today we will be using this grammar format and practice using location words. So, this is an example sentence using the location words and the grammar format. There is a bookstore near the station. 駅の近くに本屋があります。This part is very simple. There is a bookstore. is 本屋があります。あります this time because bookstore is not a living thing. And once again, the grammar format is this. Location に particle then things があります。In this case, location is near the station. Therefore, you have to say like this. 駅の近く。近く that's the location word, near. And because it's a location word, it comes after no particle. Then before no particle there should be a noun 駅 which is station. And because this is a place of the existence, location where the thing exists, therefore you need to put ni particle after the location. So this time I like you to do this exercise using the location word 近く. Stop the video and when you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. There is a convenience store near the hotel. ホテルの近くにコンビニがあります。So this part is there is a convenience store. コンビニがあります。あります because convenience store is a non-living thing. Then the location is this near the hotel, which is ホテルの近く。近く is a location word meaning near, close to. Therefore, it should come after no particle. And before no particle, there should be a noun, ホテル. And this is where the convenience store exists. The location of being, therefore, you need to have ni particle. Next one. There is a cafe near the university. 大学の近くにカフェがあります。カフェがあります is there is a cafe. Cafe is not a living thing, therefore あります。And the location is this, near the university, which is 大学の近く。近く is a location word, therefore it should come after no particle. And before no particle there should be a noun, in this case, 大学 university. And because this is where the thing exists, the cafe exists, the place of being, therefore you need to have ni particle. Last one. There is a bakery near the library. 図書館の近くにパン屋があります。パン屋があります means there is a bakery. あります because bakery is a non-living thing. The location is near the library, which is 図書館の近く。近く location word, so it should come after no particle. Before no particle there should be a noun, 図書館 library. And because this is the place of being, you need to have ni particle. So now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. ホテルの近くにコンビニがあります。大学の近くにカフェがあります。図書館の近くにパン屋があります。はい。So, lastly, we will focus on one more location word, which is 遠く。So, let's go back to the list of location words. So, we have just focused on 近く near, but now we will move on to the next one, 遠く which means far. And this is a quite a special one because most of the time we use 遠く by itself. I will show you one example. There is a mountain in the distance. 遠くに山があります。So, usually when you use a location word, the grammar format should be a noun, no particle than the location word. Like, near the station is 駅の近く。But when you use 遠く, most of the time we use 遠く by itself. Therefore, there is no noun, then no particle, just 遠く the location word, then に particle to indicate this is the place of being. Therefore, 遠くに山があります。山があります is there is a mountain. あります is used because mountain is not a living thing. Technically, mountain is alive. There are trees, flowers, animals, and so on. But mountain doesn't move on its own. Therefore, non-animated thing. Therefore, we use あります instead. So once again, in the distance, this is the location where the mountain exists, place of being. Therefore, 遠く distance, location word, and then に particle to indicate this is where the mountain exists. So with this in mind, I'd like you to do the last exercise. So please translate these two sentences, and then when you are ready, please come back. So now the answers. There is a building in the distance. 遠くにビルがあります。ビルがあります means there is a building. And because it's a non-living thing, so you need to use あります。In the distance, that's the place of being where the building exists. Therefore, the location word 遠く then に particle. Next one, there is an island in the distance. 遠くに島があります。島があります means there is an island. And in the distance, this is where the island exists, place of being. Therefore, 遠く and に particle. So now please repeat after me. 遠くにビルがあります。遠くに島があります。Very good job. So if you have any questions about the location words, grammar formats, particles, and so on, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime, and I will be very happy to answer your questions. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Please translate these sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below so that I can check your sentences and correct them. And I will put those vocabularies in the description below so that you can refer to them when you do the homework. So I really look forward to seeing your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。